Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the PostgreSQL. Today we are going to discuss about the indexes and dump, restore, connection sections like that. So first, let us discuss about the indexes. Indexes is like it is used for improving the speed of the data retrieval operations on the tables. Okay, like to retrieve any data, we use indexes. Like it will retrieve it very fastly. Let's see an example like if we have it textbook, then we are having the indexes at the starting so that we can directly go to that page and see that concept whichever we want. Like that, we are creating an index for the tables so that we can retrieve the data very easily from by using it. In indexes, we are having like to create an index or to delete an index and also like to create a unique index. So you also have different types of indexes. Let's see them. First, let's see like how to create an index. So for creating an index, create index and index name. I'm giving as index uh, index employee and here we have to give like on which it table. So I am giving on employees table. Okay, and the column name in this is um, first name. Sorry, employee number. So now I'm creating for employee number. I'm creating an index. Okay, so index is being created. Next, like we can create an unique index. Like for defining uniqueness, we just the same as creating an index. Here we mention like unique so that it will create an unique index. It is already exists, so it won't. So the index is being created. Next, we also let's see like how to drop it. Drop index and its name. Name I given as index employee unique. So it will drop the index. Okay. And in indexes, we have some types like B index, hash index, composite index, and partial index. B index is nothing but it is a default index type which we have created now. And hash is used for like optimizing only for the equality comparisons. It will optimize the data. Okay. Next, composite index is used for creating the index on the more than one columns. Like here we created one column, right? We can create more columns with the same person. Okay, the index is being created. Like for creating on multiple columns, we use composite index. Okay, and partial index is nothing but creating on a subset or a rows. Like based on the condition, it will create like a sub. When we have a subset of rows, like the sub columns, sub rows. Then for that, we use the partial index. Okay. Now let's see like a dump. Dump, like dump is nothing but getting the data from the PostgreSQL to our local. Okay. Like dumping it into one file, storing it in one file. Okay. For that, we use like a dump. For dump, we use command like a pg dump. 17 is my version. And we have to give the user here like the database details as we connect into it like that only. For that first we have to get exit in from this connection. Okay, now I'll enter the same like pg dump version 17 and the username Postgres and the host name localhost and the port. Here we have to give the port ID. This is the default port ID which I got. Like many systems will get the same. and the DB name. DB name here I have employee. Employee is my DB name. And now I'm storing it into a file like dump.sql. So here it will ask for the password when we are dumping it. Okay, now the dump.sql file is being the that here we can see we got that file dump.sql. Okay. Um, we also can dump a particular schema or a particular table or multiple tables from the database. So let's see, it is same, but here we give like a schema so that it will only uh, take the only schema here. So we got that schema. See, okay, that is maybe created in, yeah, here it is dump one, we got it. And also we can create from the specific tables as well. For that we use hyphen T. Hyphen T is used for mentioning like a table name. Here I'm having the table names like employees. Okay, we got that dump1.sql, we got it. I have given the same, so it will dump that only. We can also open this so that we can see. These are all the data which is there in the um, table, employees table. Okay, and let's see the next one like multiple tables, how to dump multiple tables. For that hyphen, we have to give hyphen T again, and also like so it is being created now. Dump2 is created, and we can see the data in that. So this is all the data we got, the department employees data. This is the employees data, and we also can get the department employee data as well. Here we have the department employee data. Okay, this is how we retrieve the data, like dump the data. Let's see like how to restore. Restore is nothing but whatever we dump, we can restore that. If we dump the whole database, then it will restore that. Or if we dump only schema, it will restore that. Or else the tables or like that. Whatever we dump here, we there's only will get restored. For that we use like a Postgres, like PSQL hyphen U Postgres. And here I'm giving the database name as employee, and the file name I given here is mm, dump.sql. Okay, so all these got restored. Like we have the gender already, like whatever is there, whatever is not there, what is not there, that will get restored. If we create another, like a new one, we can do the same. As we are already having in my PostgreSQL, I'm already having this employee table. So it is not giving me that data. Like in EMP, I'm already having that data. Let me create like in another database, the same. In employee database, I'm creating it. Now all it got inserted into it got dumped. Okay. Mm, sorry, it got restored into my database. Here we can see employee all got dumped, restored here. I'm having these six tables and the data in that as well. Okay. And now let's see like connections and sessions as well. To see all the connections, like whatever the connections we are having with the PostgreSQL, to see all those, like we use first PG stat activity. First, for that we have to connect to our SQL. Yeah, I'm connected to the database. Now let's see like how to see the connections. Yes, sorry, select star from PG stat. So it will show like all the activities which are there. It will show like a data ID, database name, and a PID, like process ID, leader PID, user ID, user name, application, everything, all the details which are connected here. And to kill any process, like to kill any activity, we can use like a PID for deleting it. Let me show you like okay, and the another one, PG terminate backend, and here we have to give the PID. PID here is 4222, sorry, 14246. This is the PID which we have. So if we click this, all the it will delete everything. It will kill that process. Okay. And let's turn next, let's see like the most connections which are there. For that we use like a show that's connections. We have 100 connections max. Okay. Let's see like how to start or restart any cluster. For that we use like a brief services start and the PostgreSQL, like to start this one. Or if we want to stop it, we use a stop here. And if we want to restart, we will restart here. Okay. This is the final video of PostgreSQL. Most of I covered everything here, which are very important and which are needed. So this is about the PostgreSQL. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.